She hasn't done anything. Have you done anything?
Have I?
All right, could you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, did you report?
Yes, Your Honor.
Welcome to Court Watch, where every judgment hits harder than the last gavel drop. Today's case features Ruby Benton Court, a defendant on the ropes after allegedly ghosting her probation terms for over a year. But was it confusion, crisis, or just plain negligence? This courtroom drama is more than missed check-ins. It's a battle between second chances and a system running out of patience. You'll witness a defendant standing in front of a judge who's clearly had it, and you'll hear excuses that might make you cringe. What happens when someone thinks probation is optional? And how does the court handle a total lack of compliance? Field visits ignored, texts unanswered, and not a single community service hour logged. Stick around, because this case is a masterclass in consequences. And just when you think it's over, the judge drops a sentencing twist you didn't see coming. Let's get into it.
Benton Court did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of February through September 2022 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead for that, true or not true?
True.
State? Are you waiving the remaining allegation?
State will waive and remain. Waive and abandon the remaining violation. Thank you.
All right, no problem. Any objections?
Yeah.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine?
Yeah.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, there is, Your Honor. That is to grant the state's motion to revoke probationer, but to sentence under 1244 for 300 days Bexar County Jail with a felony conviction.
That's our understanding.
All right, what has she done on probation? Any objection to the court reviewing the court summary?
None from the state, Your Honor.
None from the defense.
All right, what I can do, I can tell y'all, I'm not inclined to grant a sentence under 1244. According to the court summary, she hasn't done anything. Have you done anything?
Have I?
All right, could you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, did you report?
Yes, Your Honor.
Well, they say that you've been missing since February 2022. Did you report February of 2022?
I don't recall, Your Honor, honestly.
March, April, May, June, July, August, September,
I reported the first year.
and then you just stopped reporting.
I was under the assumption that it was only for a year, Your Honor.
No, you were not under that assumption. Let me tell you why you were not under that assumption. Because your probation was extended. So that means that you know that.
What do you want?
Now this is the moment everything unravels. Let's break this down. The defense hoped for a 1244 reduction, a move that would let Ruby serve her sentence in county jail instead of a state facility. But the judge isn't buying it, and she has receipts. Missed reports? Check. 0 community service? Check. A theft class she never followed through on? Triple check. 11, yes, 11, field visits and multiple phone calls, all ignored. Ruby claims she thought probation was just a year long, but the judge shuts that down hard, pointing out her probation was extended. There's a key lesson here for everyone. Probation isn't a passive period, it's a contract. And when you breach it this deeply, the system responds. What do you think? Is this a fair sentence, or should family loss and pandemic confusion have earned her more grace? Let us know in the comments.
And they said it was an intervention urging you to report. And it says the probation officer has responded with phone calls and texts. And their last time they made a phone call was February 2023, and the recording stated that the phone number was out of service. Did you do any community service hours?
No, Your Honor.
Did you complete the theft course?
I registered for it. He was supposed to tell me where to go, but he didn't.
All right, so she hasn't done anything. So I don't think she's appropriate for a 1244. All right, the court is going to grant the motion, find you guilty, revoke, and the court will sentence you to 12 months in the state jail facility. Give you credit for any time served. Did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney?
Yes.
And did you sign it?
Yes, sir.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you're on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Sir.
All right, good luck to you. When you're released from, I'm sorry, I'm going to add the therapeutic community because I know there's a drug issue as well. All right, thank you. Morning.
Speak up loudly. Answer yes, Your Honor. No, Your Honor.
All right, so why were you late for court?
Actually, I saw the door closed and people still sitting outside, so I was sitting out there waiting. I didn't know that it was already open.
Oh, no, you've been here before and you know court is on the inside. Court is not outside in the hallway. You understand?
Yes, understood, Your Honor.
Sometimes I have classes that I have to attend. Believe it or not, judges still have CLE to attend. And sometimes there are other judges who sit for me. And guess what? You'll be going to jail right now if there were another judge on this bench. You understand?
Understood.
Because for them, once they call the docket and once they pass your name and you're not present.
And there you have it, a defendant who walked into court hoping for leniency, but walked out with a full 12-month state jail sentence and a felony on her record. Ruby Benton Court had every opportunity to fulfill her probation, report monthly, complete a theft course, do community service. But after months of ghosting her supervision officers and failing to engage, the judge revoked her second chance. From missed deadlines to a final plea that couldn't save her, this case reminds us how swiftly a deferred adjudication can flip if you don't uphold your end. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns, right here on Court Watch. Because in this courtroom, every choice counts.
Jury trial.
I'm going to ask for jury trial.
All righty. Ms. Ferguson, I need a jury trial date. It's 2 days. Is criminal trial division up this week? Would y'all be available this week?
I believe we have maybe like an 8-case docket tomorrow. I believe we're pretty heavy and set on those cases.
All right, we'll see what happens. We'll put it on the docket tomorrow and see where we are. All right.
I have a contested sentencing tomorrow in Comal County. A felony.
And how long is that going to last?
Comal County, it could last all day. We
that's
hurry
okay.
up and wait in Comal County.
That's okay. We'll set it for tomorrow. You'll be here tomorrow at 9 a.m. And then we'll see how long your contested hearing lasts, and we may do jury selection on Wednesday. All right, so you need to be here tomorrow on time at 9 a.m., okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
I'm sorry.
If I'm unable to make it, do you want me to?
Oh, just call.
Email?
Yes, and then that would probably mean that his trial will be on Wednesday instead of Tuesday.
All right, can I go sit down?
Hmm?
I go sit down.
Yes, and once you
Thank you.
sign the reset form, you'll be excused. And if you all can make sure I have an acknowledgement of discovery.
I could get that right now.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
I need to go.